Hi guys, welcome to my step-by-step guide on how to sign up for a Gmail account and send your very first email. In just a few minutes, you'll have your own Gmail account up and running and you'll be sending emails like a pro. I'll walk you through the registration process and show you how to compose and send your very first email. If you already have a Gmail account and you're just looking to find out how to send your very first email, you can skip ahead to the second part of this video. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the first step of this process is to open up your web browser of choice. I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Once you've opened up your web browser, the first thing to do is to visit the Gmail website. As I'm using Google Chrome as my web browser, I have a link up here in the top right hand corner to Gmail. But if you're using another web browser, you'll need to type the web address into your search bar at the top. I'll leave a link to this website in the video description below. On the Gmail login page, you'll find a Create Account button. Click on it to begin the registration process. Next, it will ask you for what purpose you would like to create a Gmail account. So I'm just going to click on for my personal use. Next, you'll be directed to a form where you need to provide your personal information. The first part of this personal information is to enter your name. So you need to enter in your first name, and you can also add in your surname, but that's an optional choice. So I'm just going to skip that one for now, and then I'm going to click on Next. Next, it will ask for some more basic information. So you've got to enter your birthday and gender. So I'm just going to put in my date of birth here. Then choose my gender, and then click on Next. Next, you have to create your desired email address, which will end with an @gmail.com. So you can use letters, numbers, and full stops. Now note, the email address that you may want to use may already be taken. So this may take a couple of attempts to find a desired email address. So I'm just going to come up with one now. I'm just going to try this one, and then click on Next. So it says that username is taken, so try another. So I could just go ahead and try a different email address in here by typing it in, or down below here it shows me some available options. So I'm just going to click on this one as I like that one, and then I'm going to click on Next. So my email address will be tipsfornoobs8@gmail.com. Next, it asks you to create a strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols. So I'm just going to type in my password, type it again to confirm, and then once you've done that, click on Next. So now it's asking to add a recovery email address. So the address where Google can contact you if there's unusual activity in your account or if you get locked out. So if you have a secondary email address, you can type it in here and then tap on Next. Or if you don't have another email address, you can just tap on Skip. Next, it asks you to add your phone number. So Google will use this number only for your account security. Your number won't be visible to others. You can choose later whether to use it for other purposes. So again, you can put in your phone number and then tap on Next, or you can go ahead and skip this option. So next, it's asking me to review my account info. So if I'm happy with this information, all I need to do is tap on Next. Then on the next page, review Google's terms of service and privacy policy. So there's quite a lot to read there, so I'm not going to read through everything, but if you agree to them, click the I agree button to proceed. Now, you may be asked to set up your Google profile by adding a profile picture and personal information. This step is optional and you can skip it if you prefer. But you may also not be given that option. So after you complete the setup, you'll be redirected to your Gmail inbox and you will have successfully created your Gmail account. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to send your first email. So first things first, to send your first email, you have to go to the Gmail website and log in with the email address and password you just created. I'm already logged in, but if you wasn't, just have to follow those steps again and log in. And then once you're logged in your Gmail inbox, click the Compose button, typically located in the upper left corner or under the Gmail logo. Next, you need to enter the recipient's email address. So in the To field, type the email address of the person you want to send the email to. So next we move on to subject and message. So fill in the subject field with a brief description of your email's topic. Then type your message in the main text box below the subject line. You can format your text, add attachments, and use various other features using the toolbar options at the bottom of the composition window. When you're ready to send the email, click the Send button, typically located at the bottom left or bottom right of the composition window. A confirmation message will appear at the bottom of the screen indicating that your email has been sent successfully. Well done! You've now created a Gmail account and sent your first email. You can start using your Gmail account to send and receive messages with ease. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.